The PSDK 102S V3 5-lens oblique camera is a new creation based on Share's years of technology accumulation in the oblique photography industry, and it is a milestone work of independent research and development in its industry, opening an era of diversified application scenarios. The first intelligent 3-axis stabilized gimbal in the industry can increase stability when the drone is pitching, rolling, and yawing, stabilize the camera attitude during operation, and fully exert the flight performance of the drone. Even if the drone is operating at a speed of 15 meters per second, the top-down view of the camera can still be vertical to the ground, greatly enhancing the data acquisition efficiency. Share's independently developed image control system allows users to independently adjust camera operating parameters, including shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and color mode. Users can adjust camera parameters according to project operation requirements and calmly respond to various real 3D data acquisition scenarios. The camera integrates 5 25.16 megapixel image sensors, and the minimum shooting interval can reach 0.5 seconds per time. At the same time, the photos come with pose, and the copying speed of 300 megabytes per second makes the PSDK 102S V3 workflow more efficient. In the process of conventional real 3D data acquisition, PSDK 102S V3 can be applied to large-scale 3D data acquisition with the characteristics of high speed, stable attitude, and long operation period, helping users to build high-quality digital assets. It is the best choice for real 3D projects. Traditional oblique cameras have an effective working period of 6 hours per day. PSDK 102S V3 can combine shutter and ISO adjustment function to work in poor light scenarios, extending the effective operation period to 9 hours, greatly increasing the total amount of data collected on a single day. In cloudy or sunny scenarios, the camera's white balance mode can be adjusted to adapt to the current working scenarios, stably control the data acquisition quality, and increase the working conditions. 2 color modes are available: standard mode and vivid mode. Users can choose the corresponding color mode according to personal preferences or project needs to output ideal model effect. The remote controller directly controls the camera, combined with an ultra-close focus distance of 12 meters and high-definition image transmission for macro photogrammetry or facade reshoot. Gimbal brings more wonderful. Now with Share, open a new imagination of the real 3D world.